Any kind of migration is always difficult. Some organisations, they will try to migrate the back-end data. Others will do perhaps what we've done. But what we wanted to do is try to make that transition as seamless as possible.
So the questions we're getting now are more, how can we do this rather than why is it doing this? It helps them to move forward with getting further improvements within the system.
Since introducing the Sicon Manufacturing, we are fully running on tablets, so everything is digitised.
A lot of the time people forget the cultural aspect of an implementation. You're looking at the technology and how that's going to go in. Well, actually people need time to transition, some transition quicker than others. So this meant that it gave them that period of time so the business wasn't impacted from the back end.
Introducing the Sicon system is where we have seen a big growth period, especially on the roller division side, as well as the blanket division side. And we hope to continue that growth alongside Sicon and Aztech.